Hello everyone, happy Saturday to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video we are going to make easy and quick chicken mayo sandwiches. Please watch the full video to know the whole recipe. Also, to support me, like this video, share it with your friends, comment your views down below and subscribe to my channel. Let's look at all the ingredients we need for the recipe. First of all, you need 1.5 cups of shredded boiled chicken. Second, you need 2 to 3 cups of mayonnaise. And then you need a teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. And lastly, we need 20 slices white bread. So now let's make the filling for our sandwiches. Here I took 1 cup of mayonnaise and then added pepper and salt to it. If you think that the salt is less for your taste, you can add more of it. I would mix the salt and pepper nicely in the mayonnaise and later add more mayonnaise as I use 2 to 3 cups. You can alter the recipe according to the amount of sandwiches you want to make, and then when I mix the black pepper and salt well in the mayonnaise, I would be adding the shredded boiled chicken and then I would give it a good mix. Here at this point you can add any vegetables you want, like carrots or capsicum. Later on in the video I added capsicum because I really like it in the sandwiches. Or you can just use this mixture to make the sandwiches if anyone in your family does not like vegetables. As we are done with the filling, we would move to the assembly part. So first we would be taking all the bread slices and cut off the edges to make it look neater and good for presentation. Just make sure to take one slice at a time, because if you try cutting all the slices or 3 to 4 slices together, you would mess it up and it won't look neat at all. Maximum of you can take like 2 slices to cut together. It's totally up to you if you want to cut the edges or not. It's just for presenting neat. So when we are done with cutting all the slices, we would top the slices with the filling we made. Just make sure that you take appropriate amount. It's like 3 tablespoons for each of the sandwich. 2 slices. Recipe is really good for people who like to eat light in their dinner, and also it is really good if you want to have it with your tea. And also you can make these sandwiches in the morning for your kids' lunchbox. Just cover the whole slice, even the sides, like the edges of it, so that when you have a bite it's all filled with this luscious and delicious filling. I hope you all like my videos because they look like real hard work to make, and I hope you don't get bored watching them and you find my recipes useful. And if you do, please share these with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And to those who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos regularly, I'm really thankful for all your support. It really encourages me and makes me happy when I see all your comments and all the love you shower on me. Just don't take out the bread all at once because it would get dried up. You can keep it in its wrapper or any shopper that it comes in, and cut the slices one by one and make one sandwich at a time and place it in the dish. Here is a tip for you: if you think that your bread is a little dried, you can add milk, like 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to this mixture, or that would be like 1/4 cup of milk to make it more, like you can say, juicy. That would help the bread become softer and the sandwiches would melt in your mouth and taste absolutely delicious. Once you are done with assembling, cut it from the middle to make it a sandwich. You can even cut it twice to make it a single bite sandwich. So that's our sandwich is done. I hope you all enjoyed the video and liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please try this recipe at home and comment down below what you think of it. Also share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.